civil trial just started, and some of you had questions about how that would affect the BP oil spill class action settlement for businesses. So we asked David Green from Green & Phillips to help answer your question. So how is the federal civil trial related to the settlement claim for businesses is the first question.
Well, it's a little bit different. Basically, there are two distinct cases. You have the state's claims that are actually being litigated now by our Attorney General and several others. Those are claims for the states. The claims for businesses, those cases have been settled in the class action settlement. So if you have a business and you've not made a claim, you should.
And that is the second question. Who is eligible to receive settlement money?
Any business in the state of Alabama or surrounding states. You may be a hairdresser, you may have a store, you may have just a small business, a computer business or whatever. We've had several machine shops, we've had people that own various tugboat companies. Most every business will have a claim.
Now, what requirements need to be met in order to receive that money?
Well, first of all, you need to make a claim, and the claim needs to be done timely, and that's one of the concerns we have. We've got just over a year left for you to actually make a claim. I would encourage people to go ahead and make a claim. Go ahead and choose a lawyer, sit down with them, ask them questions, get answers for your questions, and then proceed with the process of the claim.
Okay, so business owners who are watching, what are the steps that they need to take from A until Z?
Well, the very first thing they need to do, because there's been a settlement, they need to make sure they call a lawyer. Sit down, have an appointment with them. There will be documentation that you'll have to have. Go ahead, and if you have a CPA or you have tax returns, go ahead and get those ready for the last 4 or 5 years, because you'll need those.
Now, how will you be able to help? How will the lawyers at Green & Phillips be able to help these business owners?
Well, we can actually put the claim together for them. We know what BP needs and what they're asking for. We can help them assemble the packet.
And again, this is something that needs to be done as soon as possible.
I'd recommend as soon as possible. Contact a lawyer. It doesn't have to be Green & Phillips. It can be another firm. Make sure you contact a lawyer.
And what is that deadline?
It's going to be April of 2014.
All right, so this is something, if you're a business owner and you've been affected, go ahead and contact a lawyer. They will be able to help you, walk you through every step of the way. This is a great lawyer to contact right here, David Green from Green & Phillips, and you'll find all of his contact information on our website, Studio 10 tab on fox10tv.com.